Okay, so we have this issue. We have this issue, and we have what else? And we have this issue that Grant opened. And basically, all of these issues are kind of connected. Because we have to update documentation taking into account like default values for Puma. And like the biggest confusion right now that I have is really like what to do with this issue, because I actually don't know what it takes to close it.
Maybe we should talk to Chun and figure out what he wanted specifically from this. See if we've already hit it.
Because like basically it seems to me that like what Grant like kind of confirmed what I did in the past. It should be enough to close this issue like with remark that these are the numbers that we are expecting compared to the same configuration on the unicorn. And it should be enough to conclude what kind of performance metric or difference we look for between after switchover. This is actually quite well reflected on this issue that we had, but I'm not gonna find it now. And define best default values for Puma. I have some like good hunch what it should be, and I actually commented on that one. So I say that right now we have to figure out like what it takes to close this issue, because it seems to me that we have all details to close this issue today, and we only have to like to summarize that as part of this issue.
Yeah, it does seem like the comment you made on the other issue is, in essence, working towards closing this out. So.
Okay, so I guess this should pretty much like I think conclude our performance testing as of now for Puma. If we can close this issue and update at least recommendation, and then like continue looking at how we can update our recommendations to reduce like the requirements over time. Because I don't see really anything else that would be very relevant here. We actually like tested Puma on mostly T4, and very often like in the discussion there is like T8 or T16. I mean 16 threads. I just wonder like if we should add to our testing like also like T16 to see like how it affects everything else. Maybe this is the data point that we are still missing from our testing. Okay, I'm gonna talk with Grant about that. Maybe he gonna be able to quickly run the test against like T16 like as another extreme case, because like we run on the T1, T2, T4 with different set of the workers and different memory, like memory limits. We could like run that on the T16 and see like how it compares in the ideal circumstances. As for everything else, I started actually typing, but I hope that like we merge the export, the first iteration of export fixes, maybe like end of this week or early next week. So we should see like quite big, at least execution time improvement. There are gonna be not big memory improvements yet, at least not that I expected to see. But this is something that we should be working towards before like we re-architect everything else. I was actually like trying to check now an R that we had about the side key interrupt, but I actually don't see that yet. I just don't know if it's merged. It should be merged pretty much, I guess, right now. So we should fix at this one item. Okay, it's actually merged, so it's quite cool. I don't really have anything else on our agenda. We just continue working on our backlog. Alexi, how it looks from your side, like the items that you work on right now?
Well, I'm currently checking the bug, but I need a bit of your explanation on your recent comments. But I believe we will continue on this, and I will try to work into CI pipeline of your merge request on export and see if I could fix something, some planning specs and stuff.
Okay, because like I saw that there are like some performance improvements also assigned to you.
I didn't check them yet.
For 12.3, so maybe it would be helpful for you to also like check what is assigned to you, because there's
Okay,
like plenty of these items, and like try to like to understand if which of these items have at least some chance to be fixed.
Okay.
So that's it? Do we have anything else to discuss? Okay, so from the action points, I have to get to the ground to ask him about like doing T16 testing of the Puma, which seems like the missing data point. And we need to figure out the way to close like these 3 issues that are listed on that on our meeting doc. So thank you very much. See you next week.
Thank you.